Hello everybody. In today's class you are going to learn about the very interesting feature of Python, that is Pandas. Let's start. The first command for importing Pandas is import Pandas as PD. PD, in place of PD we can use any variable of our choice. Then we will need some data for analysis. So I have already typed some data here. It is a dictionary. It is in the form of Python's dictionary format. Now I will write here, copy paste here and run it. In this case, now the next command I am going to use is df1. I am going to create a variable df1 data frame. So df1 is equal to, I'm writing here pd pandas dot data frame, and in the bracket we will write our data1. That's it. Now we can print it. So we can print df1 or simply df1. So print df1, enter. This is our data. Now we do some analysis on this. This data can be copied to Excel also. This data is now meaningful, useful. Now some commands for analysis. We want to aggregate the data of tutor wise. So see, the new variable we are creating, pvt1 is equal to df1 dot pivot underscore table, and in the pivot underscore table we will write index is equal to, what is our index? Index is our tutor. So we'll write tutor comma our columns, COLUMNS columns is equal to exactly what is the column heading, our country. We are using country this time, country, and comma. The next thing is values. What are the value fields? So in the values is equal to, we will write classes, and in the classes C capital classes, and close it and bracket close. So we have correctly mentioned tutor, country and classes, tutor, country and classes, enter, and now print pvt1 bracket and then enter. You see that the aggregate data is presented very nicely here. Okay, thanks for this class. We will study some more data frame commands in the next class.